There's a solution for day 3, problem 1. Use the figure below to find each unknown angle measure. This angle of the triangle is 84 degrees, so it's known, but we don't know the measure of this angle or this angle, and that's what we have to figure out. To do that, we need to find a solution for x, which we can then substitute, add 59 to it, and we'll have this answer. And down here, if we substitute for x and add 51, we'll have this answer. Now, the key concept in this problem is to realize that we have algebra expressions and a measurement in the three angles of a triangle. And there's a geometry theorem that says that the three angles of any triangle sum to 180 degrees. So that's how we're going to create an equation that will allow us to get x. So the 84 degree angle plus the x plus 59 degree angle plus the x plus 51 will equal to 180 degrees. Now we can solve this equation. X plus x is 2x, and then let's add together those three numbers. That makes 194, and that's equal to 180. Next step, subtract 194 from both sides, and we get negative 14. Divide by 2, and x is negative 7. Now that we have the answer for x, we can substitute it in place of x here and in place of the x here. So negative 7 plus 59 is 52 degrees. And for this angle here, negative 7 plus 51 is 44 degrees. So we have figured out the measures of the unknown angles. Now day 3, problem 2. This figure is a parallelogram. Find length CD. In geometry, two capital letters side by side with no other symbols near them mean length CD, or another way to say that, the distance from C to D. A parallelogram is a four-sided shape where opposite sides are parallel to each other, and here, these are parallel to each other, but there are some other properties of parallelograms that are true as well. One of them is that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. This segment is the same length as this segment, and that's what we can use to get an equation. This algebra expression is equal to this algebra expression. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now we can solve this equation to find an answer for x. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. 3x subtract 2x is x. And we can subtract 1 from both sides. 4 subtract 1 is 3. We have x equals 3. We're asked to find length CD. And so if we take the value of 3, we can substitute it in place of this x. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So CD is equal to 10 units.